This is the Eryx. We got 3 variations on the table here, but there are over 100,000 different possible combinations. It's made entirely in-house here in North America and US sourced parts. This one is titanium. It's an 18350 battery unit. This one, particularly one, has blue secondaries, but you can get it 3 other colors as well. It also has high-powered white emitters. The dragon skin texture on it is my favorite thing to machine to handle. This is our special edition Resident Evil variant. It's been hand cerakoted by a guy down in the US. It's also 18350 battery, and it comes with red secondary and also has the usual white as well. This is also titanium, but with some different finishes. We have brush finish, and then this dark color is called black tie, and that's done with fire. It has blue secondaries and all the same internal. This is the F2. It's by far the most popular model. They were designed from the beginning to be the best value in a custom flashlight. This is aluminum. It's titanium foot. Has a high CRI emitter. Very simple, low, medium, high. It runs on a 14500 lithium-ion batteries and disappears in your pocket. It's just really comfortable to use, really comfortable. Hold over 1,000 lumens and up to 16 hours of battery life. You have 5 different colors: pumpkin orange, electric blue, jade green, gunmetal gray. We've also got the nicest bronze you've ever seen. We've got brass, special edition solid material. So this is called discontinued. It's a handmade metal. It has layers of titanium and zirconium hand forged, heated up to give it the colors. There are not many of these available, and they're not available very often. Get yours, FocusworksEDC.com. This is the F4. It's made entirely in-house here in North America from US sourced parts. The inside has a high CRI emitter, great for everyday carry. It has a ton of battery life, hours and hours, and it's very bright. This particular model, the F4, was designed to take advantage of Nichia's new 519A emitter. It is the cleanest, nicest emitter. This is the F3 flashlight with 6 different variants here on the table. This is the J3 aluminum version. Runs off a 14500 lithium-ion battery. Has a titanium pocket clip to give it great retention in your pockets. Has a real simple user interface. Low, medium, and high. Nothing special. Just perfect EDC lighting. It has a high CRI emitter. Runs off 14500 lithium-ion battery. We make these all in-house here in North America and also use US sourced parts inside. Jade green, black, pumpkin orange, electric blue, and distressed black. Also got titanium. Titanium is my favorite material, my favorite metal by far. Go and grab yours on our website at FocusworksEDC.com. This is the Cylon. These were designed from the ground up to showcase machining. Everything about them showcases all of the machining that you can cram into a flashlight. It has lots of slots for tritium vials. It has secondary on it in your choice of 4 different colors, as well as the high-powered white letters. These will give you up to 1800 lumens, the high steering output, a 18650 battery. And this one is titanium with Lumen Output. This one is speed blasted titanium. This is my favorite finish for the Cylon. As a machinist, the best part of these was that I was able to get the milling to line up. That is not a neat thing to do, and it's quite difficult to figure out how to do it and then pull it off. Get yours on our website, FocusworksEDC.com. This is our EDC starter kit. In a nice waterproof concrete plastic case. Inside is an F2. The F2 is our most popular flashlight. Titanium Flex 14500 lithium-ion battery, has high CRI emitter at the end. It just fits into your pocket like nothing. Very light, incredible runtime, 1,000 lumens of output. Obviously, our box cutter. Get yours at FocusworksEDC.com.
Handmade in Canada. FocusworksEDC.com.